Architecture is often described as the mirror of a civilization. I believe it is much more than that. Long after the builders of a civilization have passed into history, the monuments they created continue to narrate the story of their age. They reflect a society's aspiration, values, ingenuity, and vision. In many ways, architecture becomes the enduring language through which the history speaks to the future. India possesses one of the richest architectural traditions in the world. From the meticulously planned cities of the Indus Valley civilization to the magnificent temple of southern India, from the rock-cut caves of Ajanta and Ellora to the majestic forts, our architectural heritage represents an extraordinary artistic excellence. Every era has enriched this remarkable legacy while preserving an enduring dialogue between the tradition and innovation.